Hello guys!
Hello, good morning,
Good
Cappadocia.
morning.
It's 6 a.m. There's the balloon behind us, very near us, and loads more at the back there.
Balloons in the sky, so free, so wild, drifting away like a dreaming child. No rules, no walls, just the open air. Balloons in the sky, don't care, don't care. Dun 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 dun. A silver one whispers secrets it's kept. A red one laughs like it never slept. Yellow sails where the sun has crept. Tie me down or let me go. The higher I climb, the more I know. I'm just a balloon, a heart on a string, caught in the pull of everything. Balloons in the sky, so free, so wild, drifting away like a dreaming child. No rules, no walls, just the open air. Balloons in the sky, don't care, don't care. Dun 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 dun.
Hello guys! Alright. Hey TV kami ngayon. Ito, okay. So maaraw ngayon, so maganda ngayon yung weather. So hindi kami na-cancel ngayon. Isa kami ng motor ni Mami.
Ayan,
Hello!
hi! Eto na, mag-i-start na kami. Dapat magdadrive ako mag-isa ko, ayaw naman ni Daddy.
Na.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Hello guys!
Hi!
Iniwan namin yung motor namin doon.
Naglalakad kami
Kami
para
dito sa
mag-picture.
bundok. It's nice and sunny.
This is Rose Valley.
Rose Valley. Ang
Yun
ganda
o,
rin, no?
nagpipicture na siya doon. Welcome to Rose Valley.
Right. Here we go.
Hiya. Welcome to Love Valley. Ay, hindi pala. Rose Valley. Ikot mo.
Right. Here we go. We're gonna swap the driver as well. Alright, let's go. Galing ni Mami ah. Seryoso mag-drive si Mami.
Nakakaano ako.
Yes.
Ah!
Seryoso mag-drive eh.
Better safe than sorry.
Parang kayakin lang yan.
Stand in line at the roller coaster, trying to find my way. Wonder what I'll find up there. I know what they say. Empty seat by my side. Just sit back, enjoy the ride. Every step it feels the same. Round the corner I hear my name. All alone with nothing to do. I'll always remember you. Just sit back.
Yan yung potato. Alam mo yun, potato yan eh.
Sweet, let's see.
Oh, sweet corn.
So we're in another valley. There are some people who are doing safari riding. Enjoy ka ba?
To never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum. For all the things that are to come, I take a breath and make the leap. A promise I will always keep. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy prime, committing a most perfect crime. The adventure of a lifetime, I'm ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, and I am not wasting any time. The world is rushing past my
Hello! After na shopping, eto, dinner na kami. Gutom na kami ni Mami. Dito kami kakain sa...
Cappadocia Pide House or Pride, I don't know.
Ay, pili-pili. Ikaw na mamili uli, mami. Magaling ka mamili eh.
Eh, hindi ko naman alam to na tiyempo lang na ano.
Mami, I trust you. Kainin mo na.
Dapat may butter to. Mabusog ako.
That's nice. Pahaba pa ito. Sarap. Pizza.
What?
Now,
Do I move? Do I move?
Oops.
Nice.
All right.
Wow. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ganda.
Galing ah. Para malaman ko kung masarap.
Mainit pa. Kumain ka na.
Sige, tikim-tikim.
Kumain ka na.
Ano you tell me? Sarap?
Malasa.
Oh, ako naman. Sarap. Sarap to ah. Sarap din yung kanin.